everyone, it's Dagi from Hot Pot Vlog again. Today I want to make an African food and yeah, let's try it. So today I need 2 liters of water. This is onion here and leek and Indomie noodles or ramen. I also need here these champignons, mushrooms. I don't have fresh ones, so I take the one from the little tin here. And because I don't know how much it will become, that's why I use one of my biggest pots here. So yeah, and I hope I can do it nearly as Homeschooling Bosses was doing it the last days. And yeah, I'm trying her recipe now. So in USA they have ramen broth. I don't have it, so I'm opening here these little packages. I have a few others here too. And I make the broth on my own now. So I'm waiting for the water that it's boiling and then I can continue. So Leonie was helping me to get out these small packages here. I cut them into parts and yeah, here is the recipe from Homeschooling Bosses, so that I will do it perfectly. Let's see how it works. So the water is boiling and Marg and Leonie are cutting the bamboo sauce now. So let's let it boil it shortly again. I was taking down the heat a bit. I'm doing it up again. And then we have to put the chopped onions here inside. Because I don't have green onions here. So I'm taking these leeks here and normal onions. So here are the ramen or Indomie noodles inside of the broth now. Yeah, Homeschooling Bosses wrote that we have to look that we are sure the green onions, in this case I made leek, and the mushrooms are cooked very well before we put the noodles here inside. I was in an African shop for getting the Indomie noodles, and now I found out that my Asian shop has them too, so I don't need to drive that far for getting them. And the kids love it very well, so yeah. So for seasoning it, I put a little bit of soup here inside. In a moment I will show you which one. Because we love this, here this is my kind of soup, instant soup here. And I put a little bit of it here inside of the broth. And now I'm taking some garlic, granulated one. So I take some salt here too. I don't take too much because there is also salt inside of the soup, of the instant soup, and some pepper. I love this white pepper here, this one. So not too much. Then I love to add curcuma and ginger. Is there something inside? Not much anymore. Ooh. Now it was too much. So Mark is turning around the soup here, the broth with the noodles inside. Because we love sausages, I made these sausages here inside now so that they can become warm too. And yeah, it looks already tasty. So Mark is tasting it now. Good? Yeah. So normally at these Indomie noodles there are some spice here inside, chili spice. But because not everyone likes it so hot, I'm only using one of them instead of all 5. So Mark is turning around again. Turn and turn. I lowered the heat a bit so that the noodles can intensify the seasoning and the spices. But I think it's good already. What do you think, Mark? I think we should try it now on the table. One moment. So let's try it. Yeah. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell button and hit also the thumb up button and for further notifications and videos. Till next time, bye.